thank you very much, Auditor General. Speak blessings to that tree and prophesy to the official sitting areas so that we continue with the program.
Excellency Governor, who is our guest of honor, Auditor General, Madam Nancy.
Time round, accountability in
present. It's a good thing.
Intended purposes in the meantime. Karibu sana Bwana Chief.
True accountability extends beyond financial reporting. It demands that public resources are managed efficiently, effectively, economically, and sustainably to serve both the present and our future generations. It demands positive impact. Even as we deliver critical infrastructure for development in our country through public-private partnership, it is important that we explore the benefits of public-public partnerships or government-to-government partnerships between state organs or institutions. It is imperative that we deploy additional resources to the region, including human resources, and at the same time strategize on how to reduce operational costs in the long term. The 84 staff are currently operating from leased office space, which is not cost effective. The construction of this office block, therefore, is a strategic investment for us aimed at providing adequate working space for staff, reducing costs of leasing, and ensuring long-term operational sustainability.
This project will be delivered on time, it will be delivered on standard, and it will be delivered on the cost. Starting now, we shall endeavor to give you a report, if not weekly, every 2 weeks of the progress. If we delay, we will let you know why.
For those who currently hold office and those who aspire to hold office, if there's one thing that we do not need to politicize, is the report from the Office of the Auditor General.